Hey there, welcome to our channel. With the holiday season right around the corner, it's time to start thinking about the perfect gifts for our loved ones. But let's face it, sometimes gift giving can turn into a disaster. That's why today, we're sharing fantastic DIY Christmas gift ideas that are sure to avoid any disasters and bring joy to your celebrations. Let's start with the classic, handmade Christmas cards. There's something heartwarming about receiving a personalized card during the holiday season. This is because you don't need to be a professional artist to create beautiful cards. It's all about adding that personal touch. So create one today and share the love. I am displaying a customized calendar to capture cherished memories with customized photo calendars. It's a practical and sentimental gift you need to make to show your loved ones you care, just by filling it with photos of special moments. And every day will be a reminder of your love. Next up is personalized ornaments. Grab some clear glass ornaments and fill them with meaningful trinkets like family photos or handwritten messages. It's a heartfelt and inexpensive gift that will be cherished for years to come. Knitted scarves and hats. Knit cozy scarves or hats to keep your loved ones warm during the winter months. Let me show the process of knitting a scarf. So beautiful. If you're new to knitting, start with a simple pattern and work your way up. Mason jar gifts. Mason jars are incredibly versatile for gifting. Fill them with homemade treats or DIY kits. Let's decorating and fill the mason jars. From cookie mixes to bath salts, these gifts are as much about the presentation as the contents. Framed family recipes. Frame a beloved family recipe for a sentimental and practical gift. It's about passing down traditions and the love that goes into every meal. Hand-painted coffee mugs. Here I am holding a hand-painted mug. Hand-painted coffee mugs are a daily reminder of your thoughtfulness. Create one for your loved ones. Get creative with designs and enjoy a cup of warmth together. Personalized Christmas ornaments. Let me display a personalized ornament. And finally, let's add a personal touch to the Christmas tree with personalized ornaments. Whether it's a name, a special date, or a heartfelt message, it'll become a cherished keepsake. And there you have it. Creative DIY Christmas gift ideas to ensure a stress-free and joy-filled holiday season. These gifts aren't just about the final product. They're about the love, thought, and effort you put into them. So, let's make this Christmas memorable with heartfelt DIY presents. Next, we have DIY scented candles. They not only make a great gift but also create a cozy atmosphere during the holidays. Simply melt some wax, add your favorite essential oils, and pour it into a decorative container. A homemade, aromatic delight. Now, let's talk about homemade bath bombs. These fizzy treasures are a fantastic way to pamper your loved ones. Mix baking soda, essential oils, and a touch of food coloring, shape them into balls, and let them dry. Perfect for a relaxing soak in the tub. Moving on to personalized cutting boards. Grab a plain wooden board and add a personal touch by engraving a special message or a loved one's name. It's a practical yet thoughtful gift that will make cooking feel extra special. Last but not least, we have homemade hot chocolate mix. Gather some cocoa powder, powdered sugar, and mini marshmallows. Mix them together in a jar, and don't forget to add a cute label. It's a sweet and cozy treat that'll warm hearts during those chilly winter nights. These gifts aren't just about the final product. They're about the love, thought, and effort you put into them. So, let's make this Christmas memorable with heartfelt DIY presents. Wishing you a Merry Christmas filled with love and happiness. And there you have beautiful Christmas gift ideas to avoid any disasters this holiday season. If you found these DIY gift ideas inspiring and want to make this Christmas extra special, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow holiday enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative inspiration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and holiday inspiration. Happy crafting! Wishing you a season filled with love and happiness. And catch you in the next video.